So today I'm going to be doing a install video on the 2019 Fat Bob. I was sent over some cases by Viking Bags. They actually sent me ones prior and I had them on, but there was a couple issues with those ones. On the, I don't know if it's this one or not, but yeah. They have like a lot of runs like on this top case and whatnot, so they sent me out some new ones, and the new ones look pretty good, so we're gonna roll with these ones. Eventually I will get these painted same color as the bike. Basically the install is fairly easy. I've done this a few times. I've had a couple different case setups on here. These are the brackets they sent out to me. Fairly easy. Find your mark, find your center mark, here, whatnot. Your end product will look like this when it's all drilled out. So I'm going to start drilling these ones out, and I'll be back here in a second. So I'm just drilling these holes out for the mounts. Should probably make sure that fits with these. Oh yeah. So we got the one mount on here, just kind of snugged up, nothing tightened yet. And we got to drill these two out. Get this other bolt in there, which is right here. So we're going to be getting this mount on here. Looks like my holes are fairly close. So we're going to drill these out. So we got that one drilled out. We are going to put this screw through here. Getting this one screwed in like so. And we're gonna hit this one. Get all that crimp out of there. Then theoretically we can put these on the bike now. These have their own locks. They're pretty cool. Now we got that one started a little bit. Come to the back. Get the other spacer. This is just kind of like a test fit, making sure everything fits up. Which this is going to give me an issue. So this side is installed. These are really nice. Like I said, they got the little latch right here. They do have their own key. They got their own key. It comes with two, in case you lose one. They do lock. Then unlock, obviously. And then they're not going to come open. You have to actually lift up on this. Then they open. Then I don't know if you can see on the inside of these. They got a little pouch right here. Put some stuff in. Still got to put the nuts on this side. For the money, these are a really nice bag. And they seem to be pretty sturdy as well. These are my other ones, the ammo cases that I used to use. I've used a couple sets of those, and these ones are definitely a lot nicer. They're similar size. Now we're going to do the other bag. So we got these ones all drilled out and everything. So these are all drilled out. The right side. Time to put the right side on. Get that one on there a little bit. Get those all snugged up. Still got to put your little washers and nuts right there. So the right side is done. It's looking good. Got your little lever on this side. So the same thing as the other side. Little pouch, nice storage. Got your little lever. You have your lock as well, and your key. Nice and locked. Nice and sturdy. Put your key in there. Unlock it. These are actually really nice bags. Cases, I should say. Pretty easy install. Like I said, I've done this quite a few times. These are probably the best looking ones that have been on the bike, besides like my ammo cases, but once these are actually the same color as the tank, it's gonna look really good. So my tank is actually a BMW blue. Some lights it looks purple, some look it's gray, some it's blue. It's a pretty cool color. But with that, my front fairing, and the bag's blue would be really nice. And then with the carbon fiber. So these are the cases. Viking Lamellar extra large black hard saddlebags for Softail street bob. Obviously this is a Softail fat bob, so they will work. They'll send you the mounts that work. All the cases and whatnot are, you gotta drill them out and then just kind of line them up. It's pretty easy if you got the time for it and the patience. It's definitely worth it. If you guys want to check out Viking Bags, like I said, these are the Lamellar extra large. They definitely give it a nice look. I'm going to do a full overview of the bike with these bags on there in the next few days. Be sure to check that one out as well. If you guys like the video, subscribe, like, and comment. Be sure to check the bags out as well. I recently started a photography page called Lucid Aperture. I've been taking a lot of car pictures and whatnot, and it's been going pretty well. Appreciate everybody watching. I ended up running out of sunlight yesterday, so I got the bags on the bike now. These are actually really nice. I've had these on the bike before, but they sent these new ones out. The insides are really big. I got my camera in there, my phone and stuff. They got locks on them. Key should be somewhere. So we got the key. They have little latches here, so they do not open. Put your little key in there. Now your case is locked. These are really nice. I do have some ammo cases as well. I will eventually get it painted the same color as my tank. That'll be really nice. Overall, this is a really nice bag, an aftermarket bag for your Harley Davidson. These are technically for a Softail street bob, but obviously you can make them fit on a Softail Slim, a Softail Lowrider S, an ST, everything. The mounts are pretty easy to mount. You just drill your holes in the case wherever you need your holes at, and wherever you need to line up your mounts. It's a very easy install. I've actually done it a few times, trying out different ammo box cases and whatnot, so it does make the bike look pretty good. It's going to look even better when it's color matched to my tank and my fairing. So this has been my install video on the Viking Bags saddlebags. These are really nice if you're in the market to get some saddlebags for your bike. They are 2 bolts on and off, so that's pretty quick release to me. They do make a quick release mount for it as well, but this is kind of similar mounting system to what I had it before with my ammo cases, so I just kind of use this one. They give you everything you need, all the tools, everything. It's really nice. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys ride safe, have a great day, and catch you on the next one.